Good afternoon, Professor. So, this is my personal timetable of this week. So, last week for my research plan, I'm working on my introduction part and finished this most 90%, sir. And I prepared my sample for the FE-SAM characterization. Also, Professor asked me to prepare the structural part of aspirin and penicillin. I prepared, sir, and anti-inflammatory reaction explanation are prepared and send it to our professor for professor review. For our RF sensor paper, me and Dr. Sachin did the formatting according to advanced art technology paper format. For the TA work, I prepared PPT presentation for video lecture and ADS video lecture PPT and uploaded to KLS system. And for the new student application support, I submitted his document to international school. For this week, I will continue my paper writing and thematic preparation. For the sample preparation, I will do the EDC NHS implementation on my chip and will prepare comparison table of different techniques. For the TA work, today we have a ADS class, PPT presentation, and today's class file preparation. New student also send me some more document. I will also submit it to international office. So this is my one-page summary of paper writing plan, sir. I will focusing this paper for the bioscience and bioelectronics special issue. This is my another paper writing plan for the AD. This is with Dr. Sachin. Paper writing plan with Dr. Sachin for the another PSA Samsung application part, sir. This is for the my future two protein IDC chip detection methodology. This is our current paper, sir. Detection by graphene biocomposite. I prepared some more future candidate of the title. This is my table of content of my paper. Ultra fast and sensitive RDC sensor for SARS-CoV-2 detection towards point of care COVID-19 diagnostics. So for the surface characterization, we have different techniques. SEM on 18th November, Wednesday, I have a ton of SAM in Professor Najindra lab. So I prepared my sample. For the AFM, I'm checking with my juniors for the EFM and FTIR, sir. This month we will finish all the characterization techniques, sir. This is a detailed schedule for my coronavirus paper, sir. Title, first part is done. Second part is also going to finish, sir. And working on the characterization part simultaneously. I'm working for writing and concept of figure and surface characterization techniques. This is my corona detection sensing technology paper. I prepared four, five candidates of the title for my paper. Professor, I need your guidance, which for the suitable candidate title was on my paper. This is abstract part, and this is our introduction. Most of the introduction part I finished around 90%. I finished. I'm preparing for the next plan. My paper. This is our structural part. What we are going and doing our for our paper. Chemical reaction and D5 chip biosensing This is all the experimental process charts. This is our D5 chip. We are using D5 chip for our biosensing recipe. Some results part. This is our sensitivity, tabular form results, selectivity testing, tabular form. This is tabular form sensitivity, selectivity, and and to choose one more part, contact angle measurement, surface IDC chip. We check the contact angle of GRO and EDC NHS using D5 design. This is our company name of this instrument. Optical microscopic results, graphene oxide. This is a cluster of graphene oxide, EDC NHS, and this is final antibody mobilization. So our stepwise process. This is our bare chip D5 design with graphene oxide sheet mobilization and treatment with EDC NHS. Next is spiked antibody, and this is spiked recombinant protein. This is all the stepwise process for my paper. And last week I prepared some sample for my characterization of scanning electron microscope. This is a D5 chip, and this one I prana cleaning I did and prepared the sample. I will do the EDC NHS implantation on this chip and prepare the sample for the SAM in Professor Najendra labs. I'm having some reference paper, taking some references with different papers to provide or to make our picture for my paper. I will modify this after having the new results with D5 design. This is our overall schematic figure. I will also modify this figure also after getting the results. This is dilution. This is will be like supplementary works. For the equivalent, I was checking some paper, and soon uh, next until next week I will finish this one. So for that I will be checking the video preparation for the next class with Chaya, and the face-to-face class we had on every Monday. So today we have class, and this is my personal achievement plan, sir. I'm writing this paper now, and for my quota paper published in ACS, applied biomaterial with Dr. Sachin, and this is conference or seminar paper which is already published till now. That's all, sir. Thank you, Professor.